Happy 4th of July from Stora Flatenbadet in Stockholm on the Flaten Lake. So last year, 2023, on the same day, I was on the same beach for 4th of July for one of the most important American holidays. So today I decided to come again on the same location on the same day, but in 2024. Which means that today we are going to go for a dive from the highest platform here, from the beautiful jetty, one of the few here at Stora Flatenbadet, which means the big Flaten beach. So right now I'm on the middle jetty of the main big beach, but I will take a walk now towards the platform to jump indeed. So yes, 4th of July 2024. It is beach day number 83 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. And we have currently 19 degrees Celsius in the air and a bit of wind. Some clouds as well, but sun is coming here and there. And in the lake Flaten, it's 20 degrees Celsius. So let's then get ready for a dive here at Stora Flatenbadet. Just a second. Yes. So you can see it is a huge sandy beach, this one. And it took me 9 kilometers to reach this spot. And it's such a beautiful nature all around, indeed. And with my Scott gravel bike, it took me 9 kilometers to reach this spot, this public beach in Stockholm. So yeah, let's then get ready for the dive. And now I have the whole jetty for myself, with the astonishing amount of wind that is blowing right now. And I can see also my backpack that's on my other jetty that I'm going to swim to after I jump from this platform. So yes, Flaten Lake is really amazing indeed. So this jumping platform looks very old-fashioned, but still it does the trick. So follow me to the top of the platform, because it is 4th of July, and for all my American viewers, I'm going to dive into the lake. It's very high though. It didn't seem that high when I was watching from below, but from here it looks absolutely scary. Look at that. 5 meters, but it looks like a lot more than that. And here you can see the whole nature. Pretty nice. I have been swimming in several different spots here on this Flaten Lake. I had basically at least 6 episodes from this lake, at least this year only. I can see some of my beach spots that I have been swimming in. So let's see if the sun makes an appearance for our dive. But I'm a bit scared, to be fair, but I also look forward to the swim as well. All right, are we ready? because I am. Let's then go down in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was amazing, but also very scary at the same time. Look at that. Oh my god, is that 5 meters? I don't know, but it felt like a lot more. I need to be a bit if it is 5 meters, but yeah, it was so amazing. I think I drank a bit of the water from the lake, but hope that's okay. Okay, yes, amazing. 4th of July celebration from Flaten Lake. It really is amazing. And 2 years in a row I'm celebrating 4th of July at Stora, Flatenbadet with a jump. Adventurous jumps from the platform over there. So yes, it's time now for a bit of a swim for me. But happy 4th of July. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.